friends, welcome back to channel iQOO. Finally, I'm back with the charging speed test on the Realme GT Neo 2 device. So it's my day one of using the Realme GT Neo 2, and a few of the users, they are really interested to know whether this phone can actually charge within 36 minutes of time or not, because that's what the Realme is advertising as 36 minutes of time. The phone has got the 5000 mAh of battery capacity, and during this time I'll try to record the battery percentage for every 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, and full charge how much time it actually takes. And even I'll try to write down the temperatures also, how much temperatures it's increasing, and even 50% how much time the phone actually takes. These are the basic things which users actually require. And during this time of demonstration, I'll try to keep the phone in on mode only. Let me try to show you. So right now in the phone is in on mode. At this moment it's of 1% the battery. As you can see, even if I try to do the charging test in the switch off mode, the phone will automatically get turned on. That's the reason I'm trying to charge when the phone is in 1% of the battery. And there is no SIM card, there is no live wallpaper, there is nothing background application running at this moment. Everything is completely clean. So this is a 65 watt super dot charger, which I'm going to use in my testing. And let me try to quickly connect the charger and I'll be back. So right now it is a charger, and let me try to connect the charger and start the stopwatch. Yes, the stopwatch is also started at this moment exactly. We will be able to see it. And let's check the temperatures. Of course, I forgot to check it, and it's a 30 degrees, and you can see the super dot symbol as well, indication. That's fantastic. And 30 degrees and pretty low temperatures. As you can see clearly, friends, 32 on the back, 31. Nothing much high temperatures at this moment, not bad. So always I'll try to start the charging test from the 30 degrees Celsius only, because my room temperature is about 28.7 degrees. My room temperature you can clearly see. So there is no AC, there is no cooler in my room, absolutely nothing. I voluntarily did not install any of those. So I do know that it's kind of comfort for me, but it's not the practical way of doing this kind of testings. That's what my opinion. So there is no AC, there is no cooler. And let's see how much higher temperatures the phone can actually reach. And let's check whether the phone can actually charge in 36 minutes of time or not. That's the main thing which I'll try to focus in this video. And meanwhile, what you need to do is that make sure to follow the playlist of the Realme GT Neo 2. Try to click on the playlist, and these are the recently uploaded videos. Recent uploaded, yes. So I did arrange the playlist in such a way that whatever upload the videos recently, you will get to know. So try to follow the playlist and you'll get to know all the details regarding the display, camera, green tint issue, all the problems and gameplay, everything. So again I'll be back after maybe 10 minutes of time, then we can actually check what is happening in this device. So right now the phone is exactly charging. After 10 minutes, let's check, friends, what will happen with the phone. So right now, as you can see, friends, we are reaching exactly close to the 10 minutes of time continuously charging the Realme GT Neo 2 device. And let's check the temperatures, how much it is in the device. It's of 35.4, 35.8, not bad. Backside 35.4, 35.4. So overall it was close to 35 degrees overall, as you can see exactly for the first 10 minutes of time. 10 minutes of time the temperature is about 35 degrees Celsius. I'm trying to write down the reading. So beginning is what it was 30. So it increased by 5 degrees during the first 10 minutes of time. And exactly 10 minutes I'll try to switch on the phone, then I'll try to, you can actually see the percentage. Let me try to press the power button. So 41% for the first 10 minutes of time. So 41% the phone got charged. As you can clearly see, friends, 41%, not bad. Let's see how much more time the phone gonna take. Anyway, the phone has got 5000 mAh of battery, huge battery capacity. So we're gonna see how much more time it's gonna take to charge 50% of the battery capacity. So that's going to be really interesting, friends, because this phone has got high capacity battery plus fast charging, so which is really rare to have this kind of conditions in the right now in the market, because closest was POCO F3 GT. POCO F3 GT has got 5000 mAh of battery, which can actually charge within close to 41 minutes and 42 minutes of time. But this one can charge in 36 minutes of time. So overall 6 to 7 minutes difference is there between these two phones. But anyway, so the temperature is also not increasing much during the charging time. That's what we do want. And let me know in the comment section below, friends, how you feel about this green color. But for me, it's kind of really interesting to see, except this all the namings on that I didn't like. But apart from that, everything looks great. So I'm gonna be back after maybe when the phone gets close to 50%, then we can actually discuss how much time. Right now, exactly around 12 minutes of time, the phone percentage charged to 50%, 12 minutes. Let me write down the readings. Yes. So 50% of the battery capacity charged in 12 minutes of time. Not bad considering this kind of huge battery capacity. So I'm going to be back maybe close to 20 minutes of time. Then we can actually discuss more details what is happening with the phone. So right now friends, we are getting close to exactly 20 minutes of continuously charging the device, and let's check the temperatures after 20 minutes of charging. It's about 36.2 degrees, not bad. Slightly high temperature, little bit 36. So 35.8, 35.8, 35.8 degrees, not bad. I'm not sure, somewhere around here I did see 36.2, some in this spot exactly. So 36 degrees is the highest temperatures recorded during this time of testing, not bad. So when compared with the other phones, it's pretty low temperatures. So definitely, because a few of the phones, they can go up to 38 and 39 degrees as well. That's kind of really low temperatures, no problem. Let's check what is the battery percentage exactly around 20 minutes of time. I'll try to press the power button. So 74% for 20 minutes of time. Let me need to write down the readings. 74% friends, not bad. So again, I'll be back maybe close to 30 minutes of time. In 30 minutes of time, we can actually decide what is happening with the charging speed in this phone. So right now, as you can see friends, we are trying to reach exactly 30 minutes of continuously charging the Realme GT Neo 2 device. And right now the temperatures, I cannot find any kind of high temperatures, not bad. So it decreased 34 we're trying to see. The back side also 33. So it's very cool, not bad. So that's very good to see this kind of cooling system. Let's see 30 minutes exactly. And 98% of the battery got charged in 30 minutes of time. In just 30 minutes, friends. Wow. So 98%. And let me try to write down the readings. It's about 34 Celsius. Not bad. So which is pretty good. So at this speed, I think the 100% may take close to 33 minutes. I think so. That's very fast. What is a Realme is climbing. But I need to do one more thing, which is charging till the last minute. I mean, until the animation completely stops. Exactly 30 minutes, 99%, 30 minutes and 35 seconds. Until this complete animation stops, I need to count the time, how much time it actually takes. Because there is a difference between showing 100% and fully charged as well. So you should understand definitely how much time. So right now it's 30 minutes. I need to check the phone always from now at what time it records 100%. I'll try to write down the complete timings as well, so don't worry regarding that. So 100% exactly 31 minutes of time the phone charged to 100%, but still I need to continue the test. So don't get confused, because still it's showing charging. I need to see charger symbol, charged. Okay, I'll try to continue the test, don't worry. But I'll try to write down the timing, basic timing, what is happening. So 31 minutes of time, friends. OMG, wow. That's very fast, very fast. 31 minutes for the 5000 mAh of battery. I cannot believe that's really good. In this kind of market right now in India, at this moment, this is so far the fastest charger right now available, fastest phone as well. In terms of charging speed, that's fantastic to see this level of high charging methods. And still it's showing charging indication only. It is not showing charge. So always it takes maybe close to 3 minutes. Some phones, they take 1 minute, 2 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes as well, depends upon the phones. So I will be back after some time when the complete symbol completely goes away, this charging symbol. Okay, I'll try to come back after some time. So you can see friends, right now it's of 33 minutes of time, still it's showing charging indication only. So maybe whatever the Realme they are trying to mention, 36 minutes, maybe that might be the completely fully charged. That's what they meant, I think so. But right now in this way we'll be able to get to know. This is my day 1 of testing the device, friends, just day 1 only. So make sure to follow the playlist and don't forget to skip this playlist, because this playlist will give you the clear idea whether to buy this phone or not. And if you already ordered the phone, don't try to cancel right now. So try to watch complete conclusion, only then try to decide. So right now it's 100% and right now it's 34 minutes of time. Still it's taking some more time. So before I used to every time stop the charging test as soon as the phone reaches to 100%. But later, few of the users, they asked me, don't stop, try to continue till end of the results until the charging symbol completely goes and becomes charged. So right now it's 34 minutes of time. Still it's gonna take some more time. So let's see how much more time it's gonna take. So right now it's about exactly 36 minutes of time. Still in the indication is showing charging indication only in the phone. You can clearly see still it's rotating, the super dot animation and everything. So usually after some time it will try to go away, but let's see after how many minutes. So in few phones it takes 7 minutes, 8 minutes, 10 minutes as well. Sometimes it's gonna take, but let's see. I'll try to keep you posted what is happening in this phone as well. So right now the time is about 37 minutes of time. Still it's taking a little bit kind of more time than expected. So recording the showing fully charged symbol, still the animation is showing and charging symbol is coming still. So let's see. So finally it did show the charge symbol as well. As you can clearly see friends, it took about 38 minutes to completely show the symbol, which is charged symbol. You can clearly see what is happening at this moment, and right now the phone is not taking any kind of charge, any kind of power, nothing at all. So this is what I'm trying to look after friends, and 38 minutes of time, the total time phone has been taken to charge 100% completely, 38 minutes of time. And it took about 7 minutes of time from 100% charging to charge to come, as you can see. And let's check the temperatures. Right now it's of 33 degrees Celsius, not bad. This is the end of the test results, and thank you for watching this video friends, and see you in the next video until the state of more updates. Not bad even with the 38 minutes, still the phone is really good. And see you in the next video. Meanwhile, signing off friends, bye.